Hello, welcome to This Week at ELC. I'm Veronica, and let's see what events we have lined up. Hello, and welcome once again. We start off with the scripture reading session that will take place on June 7th, right after the service at the AMH Chapel. If reading scriptures during the service is something that interests you, please make sure to register using the QR code or alternatively contact the church office. We have the Labor Rights Awareness Program that's going to take place on June 14th, right after the service and also at the AMH Chapel. If this Labor Rights Awareness Program is something that interests you, please make sure to register using the QR code. Alternatively, contact Ivy, Antonia, or the church office. On June 21st, we have the exciting auditions for the worship team. If you love to sing for the Lord, or if you are talented in playing a musical instrument, we would encourage you to take part in this audition. In order to do this, please contact Christine, Richard, or the church office. We have the United Voices for June coming up, and this time it will be in the language of Swahili. If you know this language, or if you would like to learn the lyrics for this song in this period of time, please contact Isabel, Liz, or the church office. Today, May 31st at 4 p.m., the Eclectos will be meeting in person at the Manse, and it will be led by Mrs. Urmila Bode on the topic of All Eyes on AI. If this is something that interests you, please contact Cookie. Also tonight, May 31st at 7:30 p.m. within the NEC compound in one of the halls, we have a special prayer for Bahrain. This will be led by Tony Fernandez from the Jufair Chapel. They will be having one more session of this prayer for Bahrain happening on June 5th. So if you would like to take part in this prayer, please contact the church office. I think that's all we have for this week. Please make sure to follow us on all our social media platforms. This includes Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. And also, if you have any announcements to make, please make sure to tell us the Connect team 2 weeks in advance so that we have enough time to prepare and spread the news. I hope you all enjoyed all of those events. Have a great week. Bye.